5 best foods for eye health and vision. In a world of screens and digital devices, preserving our eyesight has become more crucial than ever. Proper eye training and food rich in specific nutrients can play a significant role in maintaining and enhancing eye health. In this video, I want to share the best 5 foods that are needed to maintain eye health and sharpen vision. First, the best food is salmon. Omega-3 rich salmon is a nutritional powerhouse for your eyes. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon supports the structure of the retina, reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties help shield your eyes from oxidative stress and promote overall eye health. Our eyes need proteins to recover eye muscle and all tissues in the eyes. Second, leafy greens. Leafy greens like broccoli, cabbage and collard greens are nutrients that benefit your eyes. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, these greens help to digest food and to get all vitamins from your food you're eating. Just let me remind you that eye training increased the assimilation of all beneficial nutrients. Without eye exercises, it will be low blood flow and low eye movement, and accordingly lower eye health. Proper eye training course, Eyesight Academy, to improve your eye muscle flexibility and regain eye focus. A link in the description below. Third, carrots. Nature's vision boosters. The age-old wisdom of carrots being good for your eyes isn't just a myth. Carrots are a fantastic source of beta-carotene, a precursor to a vitamin A, which is essential for good vision. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy cornea, the transparent front covering of your eye. Incorporate these vibrant veggies into your diet for a natural boost to your visual health. Fourth, berries. Colorful antioxidant allies, blueberries, strawberries and other brightly colored berries are not only delicious but also rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, combat free radicals that can cause oxidative damage to your eyes. Regular consumption may help reduce the risk of cataracts and other vision issues, keeping your eyes sharp and vibrant. Fifth, nuts and seeds. A feast for focus. Almonds, walnuts and flax seeds are a treasure of nutrients that are good for eye health. Vitamin E found in nuts and seeds acts as a shield against cell damage, while the omega-3 fatty acids support proper tear production and lubrication, reducing dry eye symptoms and maintaining clear vision. Conclusion: taking care of your eyes with proper nutrition is a proactive step toward maintaining clear, vibrant vision. Eating these 5 best foods not only supports your eye health, but also contributes to your overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet, regular eye exercises and proper eye care habits preserve your sight for a lifetime.